Hello, in front of me I have GARMIN Venu Sq music, and I'm gonna show you how to change the vibration intensity on this device. First, we need to wake up the screen on our watch. You can do it by pressing any button. Once you wake up the screen, press and hold the lower button to open the menu. Now scroll down and tap on the settings icon. In settings, scroll down, find the system option and tap on it. Then scroll down, find the option called vibration and tap on it. And here we can select options like off, low, medium and high. Find the level you like to use, for example medium, and tap on it to select it. And once you're done, you can press the lower button a couple of times to go back to the watch face, like this. And that's how you change the vibration intensity on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.